Let's check also the NASDAQ how has played this week. We can see that this week the price has started here around this price level, and after the price has made a breakout to the downside, the price has confirmed this breakout as a valid one, but then the price has moved to the upside, then making this breakout as a false one. Sadly, also I have expected the price will continue to fall down after this breakout to the downside, and confirming this breakout to the downside is a valid one, where the price did not return back inside, but it has confirmed it by touching this area here. Then the price reversed back up. We can see several bullish candles for the rest of the week has continued to move to the upside. All days, every day in this week has been a bullish with these white candles, and where the price has gone above this resistance around 146 price level, 14600, and also then around 1500, and it has gone above. We can see that several of these resistance levels and also supply zones has been broken to the upside, which is suggesting a large bullish momentum has been activated on the market. If we take a look on the weekly time frame, we'll see how this looks after the price has made a breakout to the downside. We can see it here with this bearish candle and confirm this breakout as a valid one with the next one. Currently the price has reached this area here around this support area, and then reverses back up. We can see that the price did not reach any great support around on the weekly time frame. We can see it here, so this is suggesting that something unusual on the market has happened, and the price has reversed back up. It will, on the weekly time frame, the price did not return inside this option channel, but we can see that the price has returned inside, and it has broken several very important levels on the weekly time frame. For the bulls, for the sellers, this was very important level where the price has broken to the up. We can see it here around 14600. I have just mentioned the daily time frame, and the next one is 15000, also visible here on the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame has made a breakout to the upside with this bullish candle, very important level. So we will see what happens in the next week, which is a very important level. Next, on the monthly time frame, we can see it here. A very important level on the monthly time frame was not broken to the downside in the previous month. We can see it here. Very important level has held the price from falling down, but the price returned back inside. Very important level on the monthly time frame, but currently we have 4 days that has left in this month, so we have 4 weeks more, around 4 weeks left until this month ends. We will see how this month will close, because very important level is this one here that has held that has held the price from falling down. We can see it here, very important level. This is 14220 price level, and on the upper side, very important level is this one here, which is 149. We can round it around 1500, and also very important level is this one here, 15144 on the monthly time frame. If the price makes a breakout to the upside this month, this will also suggest the next one is here that the price could reach, but everything needs to be confirmed on the weekly and also daily time frame, which have much more clear information about what are the critical levels. Now the critical level for the weekly time frame is this one, which has been broken to the upside. I need to see the price making a retrace back down, confirming this breakout to the upside on the weekly time frame as a valid one, and then to continue to reach higher price levels. If the price goes below this one, which is 14600, this will mean that this bullish momentum has lost strength, and there is a possibility that the price will then continue to fall down and reaching this area around this one, 14400, and below that at this price level 14200. We can round it around this area. So these are very important levels for the price that needs to make a breakout. Because of this strong change of this momentum, it is unclear for me what the price could make in the future, because if we have a strong signal, this could be a false one, some glitch of the market, and then it will back down, but it can also be a reversal signal for the price that the price will continue to rise in value. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see much more clearly these price levels, which are very important. I have mentioned that 1500 is very important level for the price, which is just here, that has been broken. This is visible on the weekly and also monthly time frame, but on the daily time frame we can see very important level for the price is this one here, 15200, that needs to be broken to the upside in order to continue to move up. But on the lower side, very important level is this one, 14800 and also 14900. This is a demand zone that needs to hold after this breakout has happened. So I'm expecting that the price will reverse back down. If this holds, this also will be a confirmation on the weekly time frame. I have just mentioned that the price after making a breakout to the upside needs to return back down, confirming this as the next support, not going back down. If the price goes on the daily time frame back down, this will mean also on the weekly time frame as a false breakout to the upside, and the next level where the price will need to stop in order not going even more down is this one here, around 14600. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.